Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, I'm the founder and leader of Chartpools Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together to basically help each other learn technical analysis in new and better ways. If that's something that interests you, I do suggest that you click that first link in the description and come join the free chat room. So in today's video, we're actually going back to Coinbase Pro. I made a video several months back about trading on GDAX, and this is kind of an updated video on Coinbase Pro, which is the old GDAX.com. So if you're a US resident, or really anybody in the crypto space, you've probably heard about Coinbase. It's very easy to get fiat dollars turned into crypto using Coinbase, and Coinbase Pro is a very good resource that they've offered. Part of that is because all withdrawals out of Coinbase Pro have no fees, so it's good to buy Bitcoin through Coinbase.com. Go ahead and deposit the Bitcoin from your Coinbase account. So you can just select your currency, Bitcoin, and you can do Coinbase Wallet, and then add in any coins that you have in there, and then you can withdraw it to any other wallet or exchange free of charge. So that's one good feature. Another good feature is that if you're doing limit orders, so by selecting limit, you're not going to incur any fees on those transactions. Market orders, which are basically market taker orders, do still incur fees. So if you're wanting to go free of charge all the way around, then you'll want to do limit orders. They do offer a couple of different types of trades here. We have good till canceled, good till filled. Basically, fill or kill means that if you don't get a full fill, the order's canceled. So things like that. You have your trade history, which pretty much every exchange has this, as well as your level 2, which is your order book. You can see that right now, for instance, the pressure is on the selling side. We can see that visually by selecting depth chart. And this wall means that there's more people wanting to sell than to buy right now, which means that the price should drive back down unless this wall flips. The amount here is in Bitcoin, so this is how many Bitcoin are there right now. So right now that wall keeps getting pushed up of 22 Bitcoin, which is around, right now there's a wall of 21 Bitcoin, which is $85,000. So those are just all the users putting in orders at the same time. On the chart that they offer, it's not that good. I would recommend using like TradingView in order to get more detailed, but just for a quick run of the mill to see the candles, this is gonna work. You can also overlay with moving averages, so they have the 12 and the 26. Basically, the way that you would read this chart, one, they have the volume down at the bottom, but then there's a thing called your moving average crossover. So if the shorter moving average, the 12, crosses above the 26, it's bullish. So we see here that the blue is underneath the orange, it crosses over, and then the price keeps going up, right? So that's just saying this is a strong trend up. If it's flipped to where the blue goes underneath the orange, that is bearish, which means the price should be going down. So on the 1 hour, you can see that the EMA just flipped. Let's look at the daily, and you can see that the EMA is down below, signifying that we are in a bearish trend right now. They do offer a couple other things as well as other markets. They offer Fiat Markets, so you can trade the coins offered. They just added a couple new altcoins to USD value, or you can trade it to other crypto value. And if you're located out of the country, out of the United States, you can trade to your fiat value there. That pretty much sums it up for Coinbase Pro. Doesn't have a ton of volume right now just because Bitcoin's been so leveled that everybody's choosing to use leverage sites. But when the price of Bitcoin starts to rise again, you'll see a lot of big orders start filling in here. And it's also good to know how to use the trading platform for where you're buying your crypto from, just so you can keep it all in one-stop shop if that's what you want to do. So hope you have a great rest of the day. If you are interested in learning more about day trading, click the second link in the description. That is my new day trading course for advanced day trading. Put a lot of time into work into this, and I'm super excited about it. And I think you will become a very profitable trader after going through that. So I hope you have a great rest of the day. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment down below, and I will see you later. Peace.